Hello everybody, my name is wildfire52. Sorry, I was gonna name myself wildfire52, but someone already had that name. So my name is wildfire52, and I'm gonna be doing a Tekkit Let's Play today. So, I'm using this texture pack, but if you guys want me to use red power, tell me, and I'll just switch it to default, because this texture pack is not all the way done with red power. I'll show you when I get in the world. I'm going to be playing on normal, but what am I doing? Oh, yeah. So I'm not on cheat mode, as you can see that, so that's good. But like the fluid pipe, like this and all that. So I'm thinking about making a whole flower plant, power flower. Just saying, F7, if you push it, it will stop, like, all that annoying air. So, doing the basics, just getting some wood. Like every Minecrafter does, even on vanilla. Yeah, boring parts. So, what the? That was weird. Okay, but, I got a new skin. I picked this skin because why is my thing on? Okay, but because my football number is 52. I'm a lineman and a defensive lineman. I'm 5'7". Oh yeah. Awkward silence. I will someday be trying to do a Let's Play with 30 Virus, because I love that guy. I love his Tekkit, his everything. I watch it all the time. Go subscribe to him. Well, no, never mind. But Blue Zephos, one thing I don't like about them is he cheats. They cheat in their Tekkit. It just ruins the fun. To me, I love building the stuff and gathering the materials. Well, that's just me. Jesus. As you guys can see, I don't have the best computer ever. I'm lagging a little bit, which I don't think you guys can see, so that's good. Oh my god, who is it? I am recording. Yeah, it's my first video. I'm pretty excited for it. I'll just take down the stream. That will be it. Sorry guys, I was talking to a friend for a little while. Sorry, so I'm back. Jesus, lag. You know what? I'm gonna go on short. 1 second. I am back. Sorry guys, sorry, I have some water. I've been talking with my friends. Okay, BRB. I am back. Sorry for all the inconvenience you guys have been having. I will read that later. I'm not going to do it right now. Oh my god. What makes my computer? I'll be right back in 1 sec. I am just gonna get my computer to go faster on this. Okay, BRB. I am back. I've done a little bit of editing. That's about it. Okay, so I did not make a crafting table, so I will make one right now. I need a pickaxe. That's all I really need right now. And then I am going to go mining. So I figured that I'm going to set up a base just like underground, so might as well just get this so I don't have to come back up. But I would love to do a let's play with 30 virus. So that'd be cool if I could, but I doubt it. Guess I'm just gonna. Oh wow, coal already. Thank you. Joseph. So tell me in the in the comments if you guys would like me to just cut out these parts. But I believe I have to have music, movie maker, or no, I could just clip to, no. I think I have to have movie maker for it, so I'll get that. I have no idea. I'm so new to recording and everything. I could just pause the video, but you guys would think I'm cheating. And I hate cheating. So I could like make it go faster, whatever that's called. I could just do that instead. So it's 7 minutes, and just because I haven't bought Bandicam yet, I can only go like 10 minutes. I'm gonna stop this at 10. So I'm gonna make some torches. I'm gonna make a room right here. Put this in the ground for no reason. So, tell me what I could talk about, because I really don't know what to talk about. As I said before, I am new to recording, so I've never really done it before. This is really my first time. I've done it with my friend, but like not me recording, only him. My friend is Mr. Godzilla Nerd. Go sub to him. He's really good at Minecraft, but he doesn't play Tekkit. So he does like adventure maps. He makes adventure maps. I play him with him. You know, we don't do as much recording as we used to. So I was just over at his house today. Put this right here. Here. Do. One, two. Make some torches. If any of you guys would like me to change my skin, tell me and give me a new skin I could do, you know? I'll pick the best one, and whichever one I like, I shall take. I really shouldn't be saying that, because I doubt anybody's gonna be watching this video. I'm new to Minecraft. This is literally my this is my second video.